What is up mga paps? For today's video, update ko lang kayo about sa procedure kung saan itinuro ko po sa inyo kung paano masosolusyonan yung GCash error na your account is already registered to another phone. Napansin ko kasi na may nagbago na naman sa process ni Chat with Gigi. So I decided to make this video para ma-update kayo. But before we continue this tutorial, kung bago pa lang sa inyong channel, hinihiling ko po ang inyong mga kamay para i-subscribe ang channel na ito. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time na mag-a-upload ako ng mga bagong videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Ngayon, nasa screen ko kayo. Una lang natin gagawin is pupunta tayo sa Chrome or any browser na available sa inyong mga phone. Then dito, search lang natin yung GCash Help Center. GCash Help Center. Then go lang natin. Then punta lang tayo dito sa GCash Help Center. Then scroll up and scroll down lang natin hanggang lumabas yung Chat with Gigi. Click natin yan. Dito sa Chat with Gigi, lagay lang natin as first message yung phone registration. Phone registration. Send lang natin. Yung procedure na to guys is applicable po para dun sa mga nawala, nasira, or nanakaw yung phone nila. Kaya hindi nila ma-unregister yung GCash account nila sa old phone nila. So ngayon dito po ilalagay lang natin yung GCash number natin. Yung 10 digits lang po. Then send lang natin. Then tatanungin tayo, how can I help you? Click natin tong I'm getting the prompt, you already have a registered phone. Then magre-reply siya ng ganito. Go to profile, settings, account secure. Tap your registered phone, tap unregistered phone, tap yes unregister, take a selfie, and confirm unlinking. So ito po yung mga steps na pwede natin gawin if may access pa tayo sa ating old phone. Since wala na tayong access, tatanungin tayo, did I help resolve your concern? Click natin dito yung no. Dito yung reply niya. Thank you for your feedback. We're sorry you had a negative experience. We will use your rating to improve our customer service further. What problem are you encountering? Dito naman, piliin lang natin dito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi natin ma-unlink yung ating GCash account sa ating old phone. Pwedeng nawala na ito, pwedeng nasira, or pwedeng nagkakaroon lang ng error sa pag-unlink. So since maraming nagkakaroon ng ganitong problema, dahil nawala, nasira, or nanakaw na yung phone nila, try natin tong my phone was broken so I can no longer log in. Click natin yan, then magre-reply siya ng ganito. An agent will be able to assist you to log in on your new phone. We'll be asking you for some details first to review your account. Please provide your mobile number, full name, email address, and date of birth. So, click lang natin tong show form. So, dito may form po tayo na need fill upan. Ilalagay lang natin dito yung GCash registered name natin, yung registered mobile number, yung registered email address, and yung last is yung date of birth. So, lagay ko muna. Napaka-importante mga paps na matandaan nyo yung registered email address nyo. Dahil dito po nagkakaproblema yung iba. Kaya make sure na tandaan nyo pa. Since isa to sa mga mahalagang information na kailangan nila. So, lagay lang natin yan. Then, yung date of birth natin. Una yung year, then yung month, then yung day. Then, after natin ma-fill upan yung form na yon, send lang natin to. Then, thank you. This window will close in a moment. Return to chat lang tayo. Then, ito yung mga replies niya. Sabi dito, thanks Raymart, we will be asking you to upload these two required documents for us to process your request. And yung two documents na yon is yung valid ID natin, used to register with GCash, tsaka yung selfie with your valid ID. And ito yung mga list ng mga ID na kinoconsider nila. Then dito sa baba, please upload a valid ID. So select file lang natin, then select file lang natin ulit. So once na hindi gumana, double click lang natin. Ayan. Then media picker. Then hanapin lang natin yung ating valid ID dito. And after natin ma-select yung valid ID, click lang natin tong submit file. Then mag-upload na po yan. So hintayin lang natin na ma-complete yung process. Ngayon uploaded na yung valid ID natin. Return to chat na tayo. Then dito, please upload the selfie with your valid ID. So select file lang ulit natin, then upload lang natin yung selfie with our valid ID. Select file lang ulit, then media picker. So ganun lang, same process lang. After natin ma-select yung file, submit file lang ulit, then return to chat lang ulit. So ito yung re-reply ni Gigi. I receive your file for ID with selfie. Here's your ticket number. So bibigyan po tayo nila ng ticket number. And yung ticket number na yan is proof lang po yan ng concern natin. So kahit hindi na natin yan tandaan. For your security, we will be checking your submitted documents within 24 hours. You will receive an email if the registration of the phone was processed or if we will be needing more documents. Please check your email. So ngayon, monitor lang natin yung Gmail natin dahil dun po mag-response si GCash para i-update po tayo about sa status ng ating concern. After few minutes, mag-i-email si GCash ng ganito. Sinasabi dito, "Hi Raymart, we understand that you need to unlink your account from your old device, and we were here to help you through this process. If you still have access to your old phone, please follow these steps." So ito yung nakita natin kanina. Pero pwede natin gawin yung steps na yan if may access pa tayo sa ating old phone. Since wala na, meron dito nakalagay sa baba. If you no longer have access to your old phone, no worries. We will review your request within 2 days. So 2 days ko nilang i-review yung ating request. Pero usually, hindi po yan naabot ng 2 days if tama naman yung mga information na nilagay natin sa form. To ensure we can assist you as quickly as possible, please verify that the following information matches your registration details. So ito yung mga information na nilagay natin sa form. Yung registered mobile number, yung registered full name, yung registered email address, previous device use, one valid government ID, tsaka yung selfie holding the ID. If you have already provided this information, there's no need to resend it. Ngayon, need lang natin maghintay ng another update. Kung tama lahat ng information na nilagay natin doon sa form, panigurado, ma-unlink na po yung ating GCash account sa ating old phone. So, ganun lang po kadali yung process para ma-unlink yung ating GCash account sa ating old phone if nawala na ito or nasira. So, hanggang dito lang po ang video na ito. Sana nakatulong. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.